Hello kids and welcome back. So today we are going to learn how we can get a editable costume in our program. I'm going to click on add costume and from here I can upload. But first of all we need to find something that we can use here and edit it. We are going to free pick. This is a platform where we can get free images so we can use them in our models, in our games, or in our creatives. Okay. Okay. I okay. Here we are in free pick. From here, I'm looking for an image that is an image of a boy. So we can bring it in our program and edit it. So from here we have many images and we are looking for not all images, just vectors. Okay, first of all. And when we are going to select a vector, we have to see in this side menu that does it has SVG file. We want an SVG file. Sometimes you will not find the SVG file. Okay, this was sorry premium. We cannot use the one with the crowns. Okay, let's say if I am going to select this one, I just want to show you. Okay, we have many SVGs here. Okay, we have to make sure we have this SVG file and that's what we want to download, and it has been downloaded to my computer. Okay, now let's go back here and from uploads I will have to upload this file that I just downloaded, and here we have. I am just going to click OK and I have this boy here. From here bottom I can zoom out or zoom in if I want. You see I can select everything separately here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the select tool and let's say I'm going to select the whole head, just the head I want, and move it. So you can see I can move it as I want. Okay, so I can delete all these ones and you can see the boy is there, and I can make copy of it, select its head, move a little, its leg, move a little, no, both of not both of the legs. Okay, they are grouped. I have to ungroup it, so it is ungrouped, so I will select only one leg, ungroup again, it is still okay. I am just going to make these shoes move a little bit. Okay, so head is tilted. Okay, I can make another copy and tilt the head on the other direction, just the head. Now I have to be precise when I'm selecting something. Okay, and move this. Okay, now let's go back to our game and make this size a little smaller. Let's say 70% so we can see the sprite. Okay, now let's play it. So you see now this boy is tapping and dancing. We can move him with our key. He can go up and down. Okay, all right, we don't have these up and down keys here. All right, you understand the idea. We did that before. Okay, it can move up and down and it is dancing. And this is how we can create our own costume, bring them in here. We can create our own SVG files in some programs, but we are not going to discuss that. You have a plenty of characters here in FreePic that you can download and use freely. Everything you can find here. Let's say bird. Okay, this is a bird. Can we see? Do we have SVG file? Yes, we have the SVG files. Okay, so you can find many things here and use them in your programs. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.